Pinakat niya.
Ng size, no?
Oo.
Ang ganda nga.
Para daw pag nag-roll ng
Tsaka
ano.
ganda nandiyan dyan. Karoon ka ng island and partitions.
Tapos na kayo magkwentuhan?
Yes. Ano, picture ba yan?
But parang ang plain naman yun.
May picture ba tayo kasama siya?
Paano plain? Lagyan mo ng Christmas light.
Tingin mo nga.
Ano yan?
It's missing.
Wait.
Ay! Lagyan natin ng bowl
Walang
ng
sauce yan.
bowl ng atsara.
Yeah, see? Oh, yan ang maganda.
Hindi mo naman ginawa yung atsara sa... Ayan.
Java rice.
Pakitignan nga sa camera.
Ang ganda. No, lagay mo sa gilid
Video ka pwede.
Okay. Oh, cut. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, my process,
Last one. Uy, ang ganda nun, no?
Okay, quiet everybody.
Wait. I have to get my garbage bowl. You want the prepared chicken here on the side?
No, later na.
We'll grab
Later
it.
na.
Mamaya na lang.
Okay, let's start. Chicken Inasal. Take one. Hello everybody! Ron Bilaro here, and right next to me is my very good friend, also in the cooking business. She is a trained chef because you went to
French pastry school
French
in Chicago.
pastry school, everybody. Malu Lorenzo de la Cruz
Yes.
from yes. And today she will show to all of us how to make chicken inasal. I'm gonna go around the camera and then I'm just gonna talk to you. The floor or the
Okay.
kitchen is yours.
Okay. All right. Just use Philippine vinegar, pepper, a whole clove of garlic, some ginger, which I will cut later, salt. This is achuete seeds, which we will mix with the oil later. And then we have lemongrass, and we'll also use lemon juice. Okay, so to start, put the vinegar in the bowl. What I like to do with the garlic is I don't peel it anymore. I just kind of cut it this way. That should be okay. Just kind of break it in there. And then just take a piece of ginger. Maybe 2-3 inch piece. Peel it really quickly. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be perfect. And this is my bowl where I put all my garbage. Slice it. Put it in here. Then this is about a tablespoon and a half of salt. Just put it in there. And then for the lemongrass, oops. So these are usually kind of matigas. So what I do is I use scissors to cut them up. A lot of the flavor is in the stalk, not necessarily in the leaf part of it. So I'm just gonna cut it directly into the bowl. For the achuete, to extract the color, you usually mix it with a little bit of cooking oil. The oil should be warm so that you can get the color out. What I do is I don't put it in a saucepan anymore. I just put the oil in the microwave for a minute and then put the achuete in there, wait a few minutes for the color. Okay, so what I do is, this is my achuete. This is about 2 tablespoons. And I put it in the oil. So there's that. And then now I bring it to the microwave. I microwave it for about a minute. Okay, I'll be back. So as you see, after warming the oil with the achuete into the mixture. So let's do it this way. Achuete is more for color than for flavor. It has a little flavor, but it's really more for color. And then let's do our pepper. And then last, we will put some lemon juice. Okay, so we're gonna take the juice of 3 lemons, which will be about 1/3 of a cup, I want to say. Then give it a mix. The last ingredient is 1/2 cup of white sugar. And give it a whisk. So it tastes good. I think it needs a little pepper. So I will add some pepper. Okay, so this is the finished marinade. And now we will look at our finished product. So this is chicken that I've been marinating for about 12 hours. You should marinate your chicken for at least 3 hours. Otherwise, the flavor might not go inside the chicken. And I used chicken quarters. That's essentially the leg and the thigh together. Better to use, in my opinion, better to use dark meat because there's more flavor and it's less likely to dry. That's it, and then we're ready to grill. Chicken before they grill it, but I feel like you can't get the flavor if okay, so remember that if you're cooking big pieces of chicken like this, you should use low flame because if the flame is too high, the outside will burn before the inside is cooked.
Everybody, this is the finished product. All right. Thank you, Malu, for this wonderful treat. And I'm sure a lot of my viewers and followers will definitely do this easy chicken inasal.
Thank you for having me.
Sa susunod.
Oh, sa susunod.
Okay. Until the next dish, everyone. Bye, everybody.
Bye.